Space exploration is about pushing boundaries and reaching for the impossible. For generations, we've dreamt of the stars, but becoming a multiplanetary species always seemed just out of reach. That's changing now, thanks to a leap in technology, the Raptor 4 engine. This engine is the next giant step for Starship and for all of us. SpaceX's journey has been relentless, with each engine iteration bringing us closer to accessible, sustainable spaceflight. The Merlin engine made reusable rockets real. Raptor engines powered Starship's first hops. Raptor 4 isn't just an upgrade, it's a transformation. It turns the dream of a city on Mars into a concrete engineering plan. Starship is the largest, most powerful rocket ever conceived, designed to be fully reusable and carry massive payloads or people to orbit, the Moon, or Mars. To do this, you need an engine that's powerful, efficient, reliable, and cheap to produce. Raptor 4 is the culmination of years of testing, learning, and daring to fail. It's the engine that will finally enable Starship to fulfill its destiny. This engine embodies a new philosophy: rockets as workhorses, not single-use machines. With Raptor 4, launching to orbit becomes routine, not rare. It promises more power, greater simplicity, and lower cost than ever before. As we stand on the edge of a new era, the roar of Raptor 4 signals humanity's renewed determination to reach the stars. The future of space travel is being built, one launch at a time. Raptor 4 is the key to unlocking our unlimited potential. The journey is just beginning. The stars are finally within reach. Raptor 4 is a monumental leap in rocket engine technology. It's targeting around 300 tons of thrust, up from Raptor 3's 269, giving Starship more lifting power than ever. This isn't a minor tweak, it's a fundamental upgrade. Each of the 33 engines on Super Heavy now contributes even more to lifting Starship off the ground. But power is only half the story. Raptor 4's efficiency, measured by specific impulse, is also improved. Higher chamber pressures squeeze more performance from its Methalox fuel, crucial for long-duration missions. This means Starship can travel farther or carry more payload with the same fuel, vital for Mars missions. Fewer refueling flights are needed, reducing cost and complexity. Raptor 4 is also radically simpler. Engineers have deleted parts, integrated components, and streamlined the design. Fewer parts mean fewer failures, lighter engines, and faster, cheaper production. This is core to SpaceX's philosophy: build powerful, manufacturable engines. The result? Lower costs, faster builds, and a rocket that can fly again and again. Raptor 4 isn't just a technical achievement, it's an economic one. It's the engine designed to make spaceflight affordable and routine. Raptor 4's power transforms Starship's capabilities. With more thrust, Starship can lift heavier payloads and more propellant, making each launch more impactful. This is vital for building large structures in space, like habitats or telescopes. More efficient engines mean fewer tanker flights for Mars missions, cutting costs and risks. Starship can now carry larger habitats, more equipment, or more rovers in a single trip. This revolutionizes mission planning: fewer, bigger, more cost-effective launches. Improved efficiency also means Starship can perform more complex maneuvers in space. It can reach new orbits, deploy satellites, or even clean up debris. Raptor 4 gives Starship the muscle and flexibility to define the next era of space activity. It's not just about going farther, it's about doing more once you get there. Raptor 4 isn't just advanced, it's built differently. SpaceX uses 3D printing to create complex engine parts like cooling channels directly into the combustion chamber walls. This makes the engine lighter, more efficient, and faster to produce. Parts integration means fewer welds, bolts, and potential failure points. Every engine is a data point, feeding rapid improvements back into the design. The factory itself is a product, constantly evolving for speed and quality. This approach lets SpaceX build, test, and fly at a pace no one else can match. Raptor 4 is the ultimate expression of this manufacturing revolution. The secret behind Raptor 4 is SpaceX's mindset: rapid iteration. Elon Musk treats rocket engineering like a strategy game: build, test, learn, repeat. Failure isn't feared, it's embraced as a fast track to progress. Instead of years of cautious design, SpaceX builds prototypes, pushes them to the limit, and learns from every explosion. Each version of Raptor became simpler, more powerful, and more reliable. Manufacturing time dropped, complexity vanished, and performance soared. Musk's relentless urgency drives the team to question every assumption and simplify everything. Unlike traditional aerospace, SpaceX moves fast and pivots quickly. Raptor 4 is the product of this culture, hardware forged in constant testing and reevaluation. The fastest way to succeed is to be willing to fail, learn, and try again. This iterative superpower is what propels Starship and humanity towards the stars. Progress over perfection is the SpaceX way. Raptor 4 is proof that relentless iteration wins. It's the engine of a new era. Raptor 4 is the master key to the solar system, its first big test powering Starship for NASA's Artemis lunar landings. The engine's power and efficiency make lunar missions safer and more robust. But the real prize is Mars, where Raptor 4's efficiency slashes the propellant and refueling needed for the journey. This brings crewed Mars missions from dream to reality. Raptor 4 also enables massive scientific missions to the outer planets and the construction of space infrastructure. It turned Starship into a celestial delivery truck, hauling the building blocks of a space-based economy. Raptor 4 isn't just taking us to new places. It's letting us build a future there. Some inventions change everything: the compass, the aeroplane, and now, the Raptor 4 engine. It promises high-frequency, low-cost launches, making space as accessible as air travel. This is the paradigm shift needed for a multi-planetary future. Establishing a city on Mars will require moving millions of tons, impossible with old rockets, but not with Starship and Raptor 4. Raptor 4 is built for scale, reliability, and rapid reuse. It's the engine that will carry the first Martian settlers and the materials to build a new world. Becoming multiplanetary is about securing the future of life and consciousness. Raptor 4 is a tangible step toward that future. Its roar will be the soundtrack of a new chapter in human history. It's not just an improvement, it's a foundational technology for the next giant leap. Raptor 4 is the engine of hope, progress, and humanity's destiny among the stars. The future is here, and it's powered by Raptor 4.